traditional Bombe Bhavishya doll-based prediction ritual conducted annually by the villages of Hanumanakoppa village near Uppin Betagiri in Dharwad Taluk has once again drawn attention after its alleged prediction regarding Chief Minister Siddaramaiah reportedly came true. The villagers performed the ritual during this year's Ugadi Padya as part of their long-standing tradition. On Ugadi Amavasya, they place symbolic offerings in a stream flowing towards the east. The elders of Hanumanakoppa create a mud-made throne and place figurines representing politicians, soldiers and farmers in different directions, along with grains and rice balls symbolizing rain and agricultural prosperity. In the next morning, the villagers inspect the setup to see which figurines are damaged and examine the condition of the rice offerings. Based on this, they interpret predictions related to political developments, rainfall and agricultural outcomes. Villagers say that in the past, during the assassination of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, the figurine representing national leaders was found damaged. Similarly, when former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa stepped down, the figurine placed in the Karnataka direction was reportedly damaged. They also claim that several predictions regarding rain and crop patterns have matched later outcomes. This year, villagers reported that the figurine placed in the Karnataka direction was damaged, which they interpret as a prediction that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah would step down. Following this, it is now being reported that Siddaramaiah has resigned and stepped down as Chief Minister. The villagers of Hanumanakoppa continue this annual ritual and they maintain that the Bombe Bhavishya tradition has shown partial accuracy over time, with this latest incident being cited as another example of its reported predictions coming true. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.